And now the latest from Capitol Hill, where the Republican Party seems icily divided over support for House Speaker Kevin McCarthy of California. This division could impact whether or not crucial spending bills are authorized in the coming weeks. Republicans, led by Leader McCarthy, have a goal of reducing the federal spending limit to about $120 billion less than what was agreed upon in the Biden debt relief deal earlier this summer. While some Republicans want to force a government shutdown before having to rely on Democrat votes to pass spending bills, others argue that it would bode well with their constituents if they came to a deal, as it would prove to the American people that they could lead the country well, given an opportunity to control the Senate and the White House. And speaking of the White House, in a statement earlier this week, Leader McCarthy officially opened a formal impeachment inquiry into President Joe Biden. The passage of these upcoming spending bills is known as the appropriations process, and each year pro-life congressmen must work to solidify language in these bills to protect life by keeping taxpayer monies from funding abortion, both at home and overseas. We'll continue to keep you updated as these bills eventually make their way across the House floor, as long as the government doesn't shut down. And a quick update on the case that could ban chemical mail-order abortion. You may recall a few weeks ago that the U.S. Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals issued a decision that could ban the sale and shipment of the chemical abortion drug mifepristone by mail. Their reasoning centered around the rushed FDA approval of the fatal drug back in the year 2000. Now, tragically, President Biden's Department of Justice has issued a request for appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court. The appeal centers on maintaining a legal way to kill innocent lives here in the United States. A D.O.J. spokesperson said that taking mifepristone off the market would be, quote, damaging for women seeking lawful abortions, and that for many patients, mifepristone is the best method to lawfully terminate their pregnancies. We'll keep you updated on any movement on this case at the High Court. Next up, a new ad just dropped in Ohio that uses the image of Divine Mercy to promote abortion. The commercial, paid for by Ohioans United for Reproductive Rights, asks Ohioans to support an upcoming ballot initiative that would overturn the state's near-total ban on abortion. The national organization Catholic Vote released a statement saying those who want to eliminate all protections for the unborn in Ohio have resorted to exploiting images of Jesus in order to impose a radical change to the Ohio Constitution. The use of this image to advance abortion is abhorrent and reveals gross disregard for millions of Christians in Ohio. We urge those responsible for this ad to remove it immediately and apologize for the great offense it has caused.